This is a new DIY in Australia. So big up Meet the Mitchells, big up Wayne, big up Tommy, big up Momo, big up all of them, big up everybody.
Hello, good morning, where do you came from? Perfect stranger I've been waiting on. Right place at the right time, nobody can tell me you ain't mine. Yeah, to be honest, I've never been this bold. Your personality, it warms my soul. All they ever do is lie to you, baby. Tell them other niggas bye-bye. Yeah, come over here, so I know you love my accent.
So you want the rod in the middle of the white thing there. Okay.
Oh, sorry. Hey, guys.
There you go.
Welcome back to the Island family, guys. Yeah. We are just screwing a curtain up there. Don't mind the wall. We're going to repaint that and do all the bits and
temporarily getting this
renovated. Yeah, we're just going to get the bathroom window covered for privacy. That's the main thing.
Definitely.
Yep.
Using a drill for the first time. You know the vibe.
Let me just pop all this. I don't even know what those plastic things are for. Mami, ¿qué está haciendo? Pero ¿por qué te hace la boshi? Alright, so basically I think the curtain would look good here.
Right there.
Right here. I don't know if you want to get a pencil. We can just sort of like pencil it out. I'm not too sure if it works.
So how many things we screwing?
3. So basically the curtain will come out here.
Yeah. So one would be.
So this is the. I think it goes like this.
Yeah, like that.
These brackets are quite pretty big brackets. It's gonna stay like that.
So guys, we're here trying to figure this thing out. It works exactly.
They're all the same. I think the nails are all the same. They're all the same, yeah. So it's just the wall one. I don't know what that is.
And that's all what you got with it?
Yeah, all the, yep. Maybe if you want to make it tighter, maybe that's probably, I mean, yeah, but all the nails are the same though, same.
Interesting.
Okay, so just do the top one instead.
Do this one?
No, this one? Yeah, just drew that one in. That's it.
But,
screw that one in.
Now I'm thinking, is this thing too big for that, or because that hole is very small and then we don't want it to be slack when it goes in someone?
No, I think it should be right.
I think so. Alright, we'll try it out.
Just do a little hole, not too big.
Yeah.
Just enough for it to, should be right. Guys, this is the first time, babe, we're doing some renovations in the house. And babe is learning all of these new things. And
Island?
he's going to be a handyman. Handyman Afrik I. Handyman Afrik I.
When you used to you checking the video.
Yeah. Alright, so this is a new DIY in Australia. So big up Meet the Mitchells, big up Wayne, big up Tommy, big up Momo, big up all of them, big up everybody.
He's Afrik I doing his thing.
DIY in Australia. I've never done these things, you know.
Just a little bit, a little hole. Remember that.
What the hell? That's a bit firm.
Alright, that sounds good.
So you have to like we don't know either. It's shallow, you need to go deeper.
A little bit deeper.
Why does this thing gash in here? Is that normal?
Yeah, no, you shouldn't do it like, it's not normal.
Yeah.
It needs, first and foremost, I think my dad brought us the wrong nozzle for it out. It needs to be a pointy one, yeah?
That's why.
Don't you reckon? Mommy! Wait, let me call on the mechanic for a minute.
It actually gash inside here, guys. I don't know if that's normal. I'm scared of anything electric and
My mum's husband actually burnt his hand with that, you know.
Really? Oh.
I don't know, it fired back on him.
Wow. This actually gash. I don't like the sign of that.
Mami, vení vieja, vete tu podrida ya. Dale vieja. Me tenés podrida vieja.
Yeah, so that's how I do it, you know? Manually, home style. You see me? So that's how you use screwdriver. I'm gonna trust the machine thing, you see me?
Yeah, I don't think we got the right knobs for it anyway, so.
Yeah. So let's try it. Oh yeah.
Yeah, babe.
Huh? Yeah, babe?
You good?
Mm-hmm.
Do you want to move closer to the wall or are you good? Is that a good balance?
Be careful, be careful.
That was my mum, guys. My mum is here. It's hard when you don't have a proper drill to drill.
Yeah.
These are the kind of things we may need to invest in, guys, because I don't know nothing about it. Oh gosh, I've never had to buy a drill and all those kind of things, but now I know that this is probably what we're gonna need, just to, you know, just for a bit of privacy in the bathroom, I guess. Babe, the screw's on a little bit of a ledge. You need to straighten it out now.
Because I'm not at its level, it's kind of hard to get it right.
Remember, you've got it on the wrong way around too.
You mean like this?
Huh? No, it's supposed to be. Is that the way it's supposed to go? Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Go.
It's not too high up still.
No, it's fine.
It's good.
Yeah. So this is the handyman. Do it yourself.
DIY.
Afrik I. DIY Afrik I.
DIY Afrik I.
All right, babe. You need to put it the other way around now.
Huh?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. That look level?
Wait. Do it. No. Hang on. No, it doesn't look level. Yeah, that looks level. About. Island, Daddy? You gonna help Daddy? Help Dada? Hi, you gonna help Dada? Little country. No, that comes out.
No, I have to loosen it up for it.
Yeah, first for the pole to fit. Yeah. Babe, you're gonna have to maybe move over a bit, no?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Alright, wait, you need to get the pole. You need to get the pole.
Island, what's up with that?
Don't mess with me, boy. Island, don't mess with me. Guys, we have to invest in a ladder and invest in a drill. And what else do we need to invest in, babe?
We need to invest in a lawnmower.
A lawnmower.
Yeah.
Because I used to actually have a man, an older man, come and cut my grass, and he used to charge me 60 for front and back. So, 30 for back and 30 for front, so $60. And he just had a knee operation, so he's not going to be doing the job for a while. And it's probably better if we do it ourselves, save us the money. And basically we're going to, buy a mower and do it ourselves. It's going to be fun. And Babe will get to use, all these tools here and learn about them, because I have no idea.
It's kind of difficult from this angle, guys, because I am a lefty.
We're lefties, the lefty family.
And I can't go over any further, so I have to do it from here. So it's a bit difficult.
We'll see with the curtain how we go.
Well, this is pretty light. It's not heavy.
No. They just put the curtain up, so we're just gonna. Happy wife.
Yeah.
Happy life.
See what's up.
Yeah, that's good. Excellent, babe. You screwed it on really well. That's great. That's the finished product. And then we'll come back eventually. We have to buy some sanding tool.
Yeah.
And we're gonna paint the wall. We're gonna repaint the whole wall again. I think we might even just paint the whole bathroom again. Just depends, because you know,
Yeah.
it looks like it needs doing.
Renovate.
Yeah.
Sounds about right.
There you go, girl.
Yeah, man.
There you go. Looks good.
It's nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alicia viene conmigo también.
Perfect.
Go vlog your mom. Get around the vlog.
So my mum's here, guys, I said, and she won't just cachase. How you doing, mother?
I'm okay.
Are you happy to be on YouTube? Because some people don't like to be on camera.
I don't mind.
You don't mind?
No.
You're a beautiful lady.
Thank you so much.
Well, yeah, they love you too. The YouTube subscribers love you.
Oh, wow. Very nice. Very nice of you. Give it to me in my Facebook. Oh, God.
What are you doing? 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 Who are you looking for? ¿Están ahí? Están pegadas juntas. Están pegadas juntas.
You have to put more petrol, I think.
Mira, look how beautiful. Look, guys.
The mine will die.
Oh, look, pa, they're stuck together.
Finish.
It does.
Finish.
Probably just shuts off like that. It has gas, yeah. It has.
Two beautiful butterflies making love. Isn't that lovely? That's so sweet. I'll leave them alone to it.
No, it's no petrol.
No, Ma?
Oh, yeah. Oh.
Really? Did you get attacked by ants?
They haven't bite me yet, but they're swarming me.
Get it out, man.
Oh, shit, yeah.
Get it out.
Zombies must suck.
Wow. Did you see those two butterflies?
Yeah, they're still there.
Yeah.
Oh, that's beautiful. That's what they mate.
That's how they mate.
Wow.
Amazing. They're stuck together, look.
Yeah, like dog.
Mm-hmm.
That's how dogs stuck together. First
That's
ever
the
seen
first
that.
time I've seen that. Oh, how do I get out of the shadow?
Oh, that's beautiful.
I just want to see. Apparently my dad said the male dies after the male.
Oh. It's crazy.
Are you alright?
Yeah.
You did that alright? Sure? Yeah, it's only the cake. Taking the weeds out, guys. Doesn't it work?
It works, but this is soft. Like when I tried to bend, if it was my knife, it would have been
Put the work in it, eh? Yeah. Toma. Yeah, ya se fueron los dos pegados juntos.
Hey guys, I need a machete. You know, would work better. So just been cutting the grass here. You know, bought a second-hand lawnmower, so we're using that.
So my dad just said when they both disengage, the male then drops his part of his intestines inside.
Wow.
And then the lady, the female butterfly will go and do her cocoon.
Wow, that's amazing.
Yeah,
How nature works.
I know.
Yeah.
Look at the mechanic there.
Bobo, what you doing, boy?
Oh, the hands, eh?
You try to start
Ants,
it.
yeah, true, the ants.
Oh, yeah, the hands.
That's right, they've all gone.
No, there. Look. What the hell?
Shit, let's move them out. That's what I'm saying to you.
Yeah, it has a lot.
Yeah, well,
Yeah, just put more
fill it up.
anyway.
Fill it up. There you go.
Does it matter? Oh shit.
Lift it up a little
Let me
bit.
show it.
Oh shit. You do it, oh my god, I got